Down over there?
It's really bad. I'll put it just down right over there.
Sorry, it's kind of blurry because of the storm, but this is crazy, guys. This is like so crazy. There's a branch right there, like right there as well. But guys, this is crazy, like absolutely crazy.
Okay.
Oh, guys, oh my god, guys.
Oh, damn.
This is crazy, guys.
Really
Is there probably going to be like a tornado? Because like I feel that.
Oh my gosh.
Well, because it's kind of warm and it's kind of cold as well. So that means there could be a
That's
tornado.
all I want anyway.
It's a
My
possibility.
video just ended, but I don't care. That's all I wanted.
Go inside is already said.
I don't want to.
It's not safe out here.
I'm just gonna stay a few more minutes until I wanna feel like this is so crazy, guys. Yeah, because I just looked out my window because I heard something. I looked, and then all of a sudden I see that. I'm like, oh my god. And ever since then, it's been getting worse and worse. This is so crazy. Oh my god. Oh, there's lightning. I'm laughing because my brother. Oh my gosh! More branches are falling down right over there on that tree. This is so crazy, guys. Crazy! Like, absolutely crazy. Where's Mama?
Can you show videos to people on text now? Can you show me how to do it?
Okay. Who do you want to send it to? Okay.
Okay,
And there's all the videos. And then tap on the one, and then click, yeah.
Hey, get in the house.
Oh my god, guys. Oh god. I thought that light at the tree was literally, fire. Okay, yeah. I will.
wait. We have no power because it just said on my phone no internet connection. Do we have power?
Go up.
I don't think we do because it just
Hey,
said
yes, but go in the house now. Like,
Okay.
how many times do I have to tell you?
Whatever. Guys, that
Yeah, we
is
do.
absolutely crazy, guys. That is crazy. Like, absolutely crazy. Like, there might be a tornado, you never know. But, like, branches keep falling down, like, right over there. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to end it now. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Later.